as a teacher, I know we have some of the best schools and best teachers around. Investing in public schools ensures that all children get the education they receive. In high school and middle school, like my two boys, it ensures that they get every opportunity that they can to succeed. We felt the impact of the budget cuts through going from a 7-hour day to a 6-hour day, and that limits the amount of opportunities my kids have had going through middle school and high school. Class sizes have been what I have felt the most at school every day. This limits the amount of relationship building and feedback I can give to my students every day. I would like to see the additional funding restore lower class sizes and opportunities to all kids at every level. My plan is to vote early at the Carver County Government Center. Please go out and vote.